Good morning, dear students. Again, we are here to proceed further for the solution of the exercise. Okay, in our previous video, I have explained you the chapter number 16. What is the comparison of adjectives? Okay, what is the correct way to compare the nouns with their adjectives? So we had learned that there are three type of adjective, or we can classify the adjectives into three forms. These are the three forms of adjectives: positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. Okay, positive, comparative, and superlative degree. So that I have already explained you in my previous video. Now in this video I am going to tell you the exercise solved. Means we are going to solve the exercise. I hope that after watching that video you must have done the exercise by yourself, but I am going to explain you what answer is correct and why it is correct. Okay, so let's open your page number 64 in Pencil book. Okay, so I think it is the last topic of grammar till our term 1, means before half yearly exam. This is the syllabus of grammar syllabus, means 10 chapters. 10 chapters we have included in term 1, and this is term 2. Now the after this the next exercise will begin. That will be for your syllabus of term 2. Now this is the last topic of your term 1, means we have selected 10 topics. Whatever 10 chapters we had completed, that 10 chapters is your term 1 syllabus. If you see the index, okay, here chapter number 1, chapter number 2, then 3 is deleted, then 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, then 9, then 10, 11, 12 and 13 are deleted, then 14, 15 and 16. So this is the these are the chapters which we have completed in our term 1. Now this is the last topic. We are going to complete this exercise. Okay, there are two exercises, exercise A and exercise B. Two types of exercise are given. What is exercise A? Write the comparative and superlative degrees of the following adjectives. Means whatever is given here in the previous pages. Okay, these tables, if you have learned these tables, so there is nothing difficult to do this. So let me explain. First is the positive degrees are given, comparative degree and superlative degree we need to recall, and we need to fill in the blanks in these two columns. Bold, stronger, bold means stronger or frank. Okay, who can say anything in front of anybody, that type of boy or girl is called bold. Bold boy or bold girl. So bold, bolder, boldest. Okay, I will send you the screenshot of this exercise. Okay, so if you have learned, if you have seen in these tables, previous tables, you will find the first word is bold. Bold, bolder and boldest. So that you need to fill here. It is very simple exercise. Big, bigger, biggest. But here in this word, the ending letter G is doubled. Double G-E-R and double G-E-S-T. Bigger. Made, pagal, made. Same thing. Double D. The last letter D is doubled, then ER. Medder, medest. He is the maddest person. Okay. Able, able, in this word, in the last E is already there. At the end of this word, E letter is already there. So we are not going to put ER or EST because it will make the spelling double ER. So to avoid the repetition of E, so we are going to add only R and only ST because E is already there. Okay, generally what we do? Generally we add ER or EST, but E is already in the word able. If you see the word able, E is already there. So we are not going to repeat double ER and double EST. No. Since E is already there, so we are going to add only R or ST. E is already there. So there are some words in which E is already there. So abler and ablest. Busy. In some words, when Y is there at the end, we convert Y into I. Means busy will become, means Y will become I. Y will be converted into I. Then we add ER. Busier and busiest. Okay, first we convert Y into I. So that you need to remember. Active. These type of words are also there. Adjectives are also there. Active, more active, most active. He is the active boy. He is very active boy. He is more active than this boy. Or he is the most active boy among the class. So these are the correct use of this word active. Exciting. Okay, kabaddi is an exciting game. Positive degree is an exciting game, exciting sport. Okay, Kho is more exciting game than kabaddi when we are comparing only two. And cricket is the most exciting sports. So we are comparing all the sports in one sentence. That's why most exciting. Now little, if you memorize, if you remember that little thoda, less with compared to little, less is much less, then least. Okay, little, less, least, सबसे कम. Many is used for countable things, just like pens we can count, but water, air, liquid, these we cannot count. Uncountable nouns. For countable nouns, many, then more, then most. And for uncountable noun, much, then more, then most. For many and much, for both we can use more and most. Okay. Then old. Since old has two meanings. Old means budha and old means purana. So old, older, oldest is also correct, and old, elder, and eldest, that is also correct. So that's why we have written in oblique. We have written both. Now this is the exercise which is based on your memory. Okay, how you have learned these all tables, it depends on it. Now we are going to do the exercise B. Fill in the blanks with the correct forms of adjectives given in the brackets. If you see in the brackets in front of before each word, each sentence, okay, we have been given one hint, that is the positive degree of adjective. But here we have to perform two tasks. One task we have to observe this sentence and we have to find out whether we use whether we are we need a comparative degree or superlative degree. Then we'll put the superlative or comparative degree. But before judging, before we have to judge that whether we need here comparative degree of an adjective or superlative degree of an adjective. But before that, we need to observe the sentence. If you observe the sentence, you can easily find which degree is suitable for here. How you will recognize that? I am giving you one hint that this comparative degree is used whenever this comparative degree of an adjective is used. We see one word in the sentence. Then, then is used for comparing, comparison of two, the comparison of two, and the article is used just before the superlative degrees. So if you know, if you remember these two rules, you can easily find out. If you found this word then in the sentence, it means we have to use comparative degree. And if the article is used and just after the, if there is any blank space after the, because we know the rule that just before the superlative degree we always put what? The article. So if the is given, it means superlative degree of the adjective will be used, and if the word then is used, means before then we will use the comparative degree of the adjective which is given in the bracket. So this is the hint, Now let's see. The first sentence is the pen. This is the pen is blank. Then the sword. Now again I am going to repeat you. I am again going to explain you because most of the students make the same mistake. THAN then is used to compare two things, two persons, two places, two nouns. Okay. But THEN, this then is used for time. Then, tau. When, cup. Then, tau. So, then and when, these are used to show times. And THAN then is used when we need to compare the two things. So here we will find THAN. That we don't need now. Okay, when and then. Now first, the pen is blank, then the sword. So first have you heard this proverb? Okay, you know what is proverb? Kahavate, muhavre, idioms. Okay, so this is one idiom. Okay, so the pen is blank, then the sword. Here pen is compared with sword. Now what is sword? Talwar. You see sword? This is a simple pen, okay, by which we write. But have you seen sword? Okay, this is what it looks like, sword, which is used by some warriors or the kings in the war for fighting. Okay, राजा लोग तलवार यूज करते थे ना फाइटिंग के लिए. और पेन we use for writing articles in the newspaper and books. So now one proverb is there. एक कहावत है, पेन में ज्यादा शक्ति होती, पेन ज्यादा ताकतवर है एक तलवार से. Okay, by using the sword you can win any battle or any type of word. But by using pen, you can change the word, change the thinking of the word, because every literate person, they always read newspapers, articles, good books, so it has the power to change the whole world. Okay, so that is an proverb or idiom, कहावत है, मुहावरा है ये. Might. Now in the bracket, positive degree of adjective is given might. Now might means ताकत, strength. The one meaning of might is ताकत, strength. So which is more mightier? Okay, which is mightier among the between these two? If you think that sword is mightier than pen, it is wrong, because pen is mightier than sword. So this is why we are. If you go for my hints, in this sentence we found this word than. Okay, so that's why we will use this form, mightier. The pen is mightier than the sword. Mightier than the sword means this form, comparative degree of adjective will be used here. Mightier, not mightiest. Second, prevention is blank, then cure. Again we found this word than. Now what is good? The positive degree given in the book is good. If you remember, good, better, best. Good is a positive degree, better is comparative degree, and best is the superlative degree. Now first we decide what will be used here, comparative or superlative. Now then word is used excuse me, then word is used to compare between only two things. Here what are the two things? Prevention and cure. Prevention means सावधानी. ओके, सावधानी ज़्यादा अच्छी होती है बजाय इसके कि पहले बीमार पड़ो और उसके बाद क्योर करो. क्योर मीन्स उसके बाद इलाज करो. तो डॉक्टर के पास, when we go to doctor, when after falling sick we go to doctor, but if we keep the precautions, there is no need to fall sick. So which is better? Good, better, best. So which way is better? Okay, let's not fall sick is better, or after falling sick we go to doctor for cure? What is better? So I think not to fall sick is better. So that's why for not falling sick we need to do what? We need to take precautions. सावधानी ज़्यादा अच्छी है, बाद में बीमार पड़ने के बाद इलाज करवाने से तो अच्छा है कि बीमारी मत पड़ो, मतलब सावधानियां रखो. सो दैट इज द इडियम. ये भी एक कहावत है, मुहावरा है. प्रिवेंशन इज बेटर देन क्योर. नाउ बेटर इज द परफेक्ट वर्ड विच इज यूज्ड हियर, बेटर देन क्योर. क्योर मीन्स इलाज करवाने से अच्छा है. Honesty is the blank policy. Again, good, better, best. Now see this word the, then we have blank. The is always used just before the superlative degree, means good, better, best. So we will use here best. Honesty is the best policy. Honesty means ईमानदारी. Best means सबसे अच्छी, सबसे, पूरी दुनिया में सबसे अच्छी. Policy means नीति, रास्ता जिस पे हम चलते हैं. सबसे बढ़िया रास्ता होता है ईमानदारी जिंदगी में रखना. This is again one idiom. ये भी एक मुहावरा है. Okay. God is blank, gold. Gold is blank, then silver. Now two things are compared. One is gold, one is silver. The word is used here then. Then what we'll do? We'll use the comparative degree here. Now what is the quality given here? Adjective is precious. You know what is precious? Precious means कीमती, valuable. कौन सा ज्यादा कीमती होता है? गोल्ड होता है कि सिल्वर होता है? You always know, everybody knows that gold is more precious. Precious is an adjective which is when it is changed in the different forms, more precious and most precious. So here this word then is used, that's why we will use the comparative degree more precious. Gold is more precious than silver. ओके सोना ज्यादा कीमती है सिल्वर चांदी से. लेड, Lead, हैव यू हर्ड दिस मेटल्स नेम? लेड इज वन मेटल विच इज नोन फॉर इट्स वेट. बहुत हेवी होता है, मोर देन आयरन, आयरन से भी ज्यादा हेवी होता है. लेड इज द, इफ यू सी द सुपरलेटिव डिग्री is the blank of all metals: gold, silver, iron, aluminium, all these metals. Okay, all the metals in the world, lead is the heaviest. Okay, heavy is the adjective, quality is heavy. So heavy, heavier, heaviest, heavier, heaviest. The is used, that's why we will use this form, heaviest of all metals in the world. सबसे भारी यही होता है, lead. My knife we generally use to cut the vegetables and fruits in kitchen. Okay, so my knife is blank than yours. We are comparing my knife with your knife, means two things are compared and the word than is used here. Sharp, तीखा, तेज, धारदार. Sharp, sharper, sharpest. So here we will use the comparative degree because two things are compared. Sharper. Okay, sharper. We have not heard the blank news. The word is given late, 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 later, latest. Okay, which is used here? The is used here. The latest news. We have not heard the latest news. Latest news means ताज़ा खबरें, तुरंत अभी मिली हो, immediately. We have not heard the latest news. अभी तक की जो latest news है we have not heard, हमने अभी तक सुनी नहीं है. Archana is blank than Anita. We are comparing two girls, Archana and Anita, and the quality for comparison is pretty. Pretty means pyari, lovely, sundar. Okay, pretty. Now Archana is prettier than Anita. Double T. Okay, just like in big, bigger, biggest, double GER, double GEST, GEST. Okay, it's like pretty, prettier, prettiest. So Archana is prettier than Anita. This is the blank emporium in the city. Okay, this is the blank emporium in the city. Now what is the quality? Large, बहुत बड़ा hall, stadium, बहुत बड़ा. Now this is the, now the is used for the superlative degrees. This is the largest, large, larger, largest. This is the largest emporium in the city. Which of these two books is? Now again we are comparing two things, but then word is not there, the is also not there. These two words, both the two words are not here given in this sentence, but we are comparing two things only. Two books are given. So that's why we will use comparative degree. Which of these two books is better? Good, better, best. So we will use better because we need to choose from only out of two books. So which is better? If we have been given 7, 8, 9, 10 books, then which is the best book? We will use which is the best book. Now this is the ending of this exercise. You need to solve this exercise by yourself. Then I will send you the screenshots, and these exercises, as usually as you are writing the previous exercise, you will note down this exercise after matching with my answers. Then you will note down these answers in your CW notebook. In which portion? Grammar portion, where you write the exercises of the Pencil book. So this is all about the syllabus of your grammar for term 1. And chapters we have already done. 4 chapters we have done. Chapter number 1, chapter number 2. Chapter number 3 is not there in your syllabus. We have deleted that. You can read by it yourself for your interest. It is only a story. So you can, it is just like comics book. So you can read that picture story, but it will be not asked in any exam. Chapter number 1, chapter number 2, then chapter number 4 and chapter number 5 that we have done in the book. That is also from your term 1. So term 1 syllabus means up to half yearly syllabus we have completed our syllabus today. Now keep your notebooks ready for correction. Whenever we will message you, then you will again send your fair notebooks to us for correction. Okay, and after correcting, you will be given marks out of 20. You know, you are given marks for your notebook keeping. So all index should be filled, page number should be filled, yeah, that should be corrected by your teacher, and cover is must. Cover you should cover. Now it is available in the market. You can take the all colors according to the color scheme of our school. You can cover and laminate your notebooks. Okay, according to that you will be given marks. Till then, all the best. Thank you. Have a nice day.